Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the fascinating world of web development. In today's video, we'll be talking about the essential building blocks of every website, the HTML elements. These elements play a crucial role in defining the structure and content of web pages. So, let's dive in and explore some of the most common HTML elements used in web development. Segment 1. Head, title, and meta. Every web page starts with the HTML tag, which serves as the foundation of the document. Within the head element, we find the title element. The title is what appears in the browser's title bar or tab and helps users identify the page. Additionally, the head element contains meta information, such as character encoding, links to external CSS style sheets, and scripts that enhance the page's functionality. Segment 2. Body. Now, moving on to the body element. This is where all the visible content of the web page resides. It includes text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements that users interact with. Segment 3. Header and navigation. The header element represents the top section of a web page. Inside the header, we often find the logo, which identifies the website. The navigation bar, denoted by the nav element, contains a collection of links that help users navigate around the site. Segment 4. Main and section. The main element defines the primary content of the web page, excluding headers, footers, and sidebars. It's the heart of the page and usually contains the main topic or purpose of the website. Within the main element, we use section elements to group related content together. This semantic organization improves the website's accessibility and helps search engines understand the page's structure. Segment 5. Article and aside. The article element represents a standalone piece of content that could be distributed and reused independently. For example, a blog post or news article is an excellent candidate for the article element. On the other hand, the aside element contains content that is tangentially related to the main content, such as sidebars or callout boxes. Segment 6. Footer. Lastly, we have the footer element, located at the bottom of the web page. The footer typically contains copyright information, contact details, and links to related pages or resources. Conclusion. And there you have it, a brief overview of some common HTML elements used in web development. These elements form the backbone of every website and provide the structure and meaning that make web pages functional and accessible. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on web development. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!